washed my car 6 freaking times. And I still have 2 more weeks of being in quarantine. Ah, I know what I can do. That's what I can do. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, and it's on sale too. Yeah, what do you think, guys? Should we do it? We need something to do. Let's put a new wing on the STI. And bye. Sweet. Thanks, Josh. Hey guys, Chris at DIY Fabrications back at you with another install video. Today we're doing one I've wanted to do for a really long time. We are doing the APR GTC-300 wing install. Well, this is something I've wanted to do for a really long time, but I really struggle with kind of pulling the trigger on spending that much on a spoiler, let's be honest. But at the end of the day, the guys over at Unported Image Racing did me a solid and made me a great deal on it. So here's an install, but before I do anything, I gotta clean this car. It is covered in yellow pollen. And the rear deck lid probably needs a good polish anyways before I install the wing. So first thing we're gonna be doing is we're gonna remove the under tray. We're gonna start by popping out all these guys here, some more up here, here. So to hold the spoiler on, we've got 6 bolts on the underside, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, and 6 on this side. In addition to these 6 bolts, there's also some pop clips that are not visible. So when you take the spoiler off, you're actually gonna need to use some force to do it. So what I'm doing here is I don't want the nut to actually fall into the actual deck lid. So what I'm doing is using the socket to loosen it as much as I can, and then using a magnetic catch to pull the bolt off the actual nut itself. Really? All right. There it is. Oof, to get it to go. But there she is. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna go through and clean all this nasty stuff up. Then we'll come back and we're actually gonna polish the whole deck lid so it's nice and clean and good to go for the new spoiler. I know the big wing isn't for everybody, but for me, I think it really makes the car look really aggressive and has a great look to it. The carbon fiber is actually stunning, and the product itself looks absolutely beautiful. Now that being said, I will probably have to get a clear coat done on it for the UV protection, but overall, could not be happier.